Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the e.l.f. Tone Correcting Face Primer, used as a base for your makeup, neutralize uneven skin tones, 0.47 fluid ounces. It is easy to apply, and really does prime your face for denser makeups like concealer. The green helps with the black under your eyes, and the red undertones on your face. Pros: a little goes a long way, so you have to be careful with how much you put on. Cons: it takes more time to dry than other primers do. Regardless, so little is needed to apply as it glides on like silk that the bottle lasts for months. As for the product itself, it doesn't do much, especially for more oil-prone areas like dead zone. Heed that the bottling is very misleading, and you're really only going to receive maybe a tablespoon worth of primer. It works great, but you don't get that much in the bottle. Looks are deceiving. The bottle comes apart in like 3 different pieces. The innermost piece is what holds the product, and it's as big as a fingernail. The only negative is the scent. There really isn't any, but what is there is weird. It's not a terrible product, but it's not really going to help your makeup stay on all day. I've had this product before, but for some reason, this time it was extra thick, and harder to apply. For someone who has sensitive skin, this primer works, especially for it to be a cheaper option. However, a little bit goes a very long way. It is not like applying lotion, or even foundation where you need a larger amount. It applies clear, the finish has a matte appearance, and leaves the skin incredibly soft. Whether you are going for a natural look, or something more intense, it is a great base. This one does a pretty good job at smoothing out your face, and holding on your makeup. A similar product by another manufacturer is 10x the cost for only slightly more product of similar quality. It is in a small bottle, but very little is needed per application. A little goes a long way. Feels like silk going on, and helps makeup wear longer. However, it works very effectively at providing a smooth base for applying foundation, or bronzing cream. The green does not even help fix redness in your face, and it's very blotchy even with a damp sponge. The bottle is misleading. You think there is a reasonable amount in the bottle, but no. It was recommended by a number of beauty sites and blogs as a great, affordable primer. It works well as primer, but warning, it has a lot of gold in it. It is nice you put it on, and it makes your face feel like it has a super soft slick surface for you makeup to be applied onto. Works good, and lasted for a long time, but there is not much of a scent. There is no cream in the world that is ever going to make them go away. The only downside is that it doesn't come with much, but you don't need a whole lot to cover the entire face and neck. It leaves the skin feeling silky and smooth, controls the shine, and makes powder and foundation last longer. While this is not the absolute best primer, it is pretty good, and the price is right. Love this base primer. This is definitely worth every penny, all few hundred of them. Great product, honestly feels like butter when you put it on. A little goes a long way. However, the container is very misleading in regards to the amount of product there is. If you screw off the top, the product is only half the size of the bottle. Not a ton of product, but if you read details before you buy, you'll be happy. I've spent fortunes on other facial primers and skin tone correctors. This one works wonders. For me, it's equal to the more expensive brands, e.g. Smashbox, Makeup Forever, but a fraction of the cost. Does not correct a little the red skin tone, and it feels oily on the skin. It does not sit on the face. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.